Alright, the length of a rectangle is equal to triple the width. The perimeter is 86 centimeters, and that gave you the equation for perimeter right there. What is the length and width of the rectangle? Okay, so the length is equal to triple the width, so that's your comparison. And this is the one where your verb is in the middle, so that makes life nice and easier. So length equals triple the width. Well, if you triple the width, you're multiplying by 3. So L equals 3W. Okay. The perimeter is 86 centimeters. Well, if perimeter is, why did I put an X right there? That should be a W. I'll fix that. Perimeter is 86 centimeters, so that's 2 times the width plus 2 times the length equals 86. So those are your two equations. Alright? The only problem with the matrix is this first one is in the wrong order. I need to take the 3W and move it to the other side so it becomes negative. So it's negative 3W plus your length equals, since there's nothing left over there, it's 0. So your matrix is 2, negative 3, 2, 1, 86, 0. Cool? And then we'll plug it in. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. Because I have to remember it, I can't see it. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. 2, 2, 86, 3, 1, 0. Okay, cool. So quit. I'll hit enter. And okay, so 10.75 and 32.75. Remember, we put the width, it's the width plus the length. So, and I'll write on here, we put width plus length. Therefore, the first one is width, and the second one is length. Okay? So 10.75, 32.75, 32.25, 10.75, 32.25. So width equals 10.75, length equals 32.25 centimeters, because these are in centimeters. Alright, number 12. The Algebra 1 textbook has a total of 11382 pages, which is in 2 parts. The second part of the book, I need to charge my tablet. It'll make it. The second part of the book has 64 more pages than the first part. How many pages are in the book? Well, it has a total of this. And it's 2 parts, so we'll call it the first part and the second part. Cool? So if it's a total, well, it's just first plus second equals 1382. Alright, the second one, the second part of the book has 64 more pages than the first. Well, it's a comparison. The second, okay, so that's S, has, there's your verb, equals 64 more, so that's a positive 64, than the first. Okay. The only thing you got to do is move that F over to the other side. So it becomes a negative F plus S equals 64. So we'll use these 2 equations for your matrix. So your matrix is, let's do it in red, 1, 1, 1382, and negative 1, 1, 64. I can do better than that. 1, 1, 1382, 1, 1, 64, 111382 1164 remote desktop 111382 1164. Oh, come on. 111382 negative 1164. All right. Quit. Let's hit it again. And part one, since we did the first one first and the second one second, the first one has 659. The second one has 723. 659 and 723. 659 and 723. So the first equals 629 pages, and the second equals 723. And I think that's just totally wrong what I just wrote down there, because 629, 723, that's not right. 659, 723. I knew something was off. Again, I'm up to 6:05 in the morning. Been here since 4. All right, number 13. Gerald bought 9 hamburgers and 3 orders of fries for $24.75. Chris bought 6 hamburgers and 4 orders of fries for $19.50. Well, these are grocery lists. But instead of giving you the amount, the dollar for the hamburger, they gave you how many you bought. Okay, so that's 9 hamburgers plus 3 fries for $24.75. And that second guy, 6 hamburgers and 4 orders of fries. 6 hamburgers, 4 orders of fries for $19.50. These were hungry boys. So there's your matrix. 9, 6, 3, 24.75, 19.50. 9.3, 24.75, 6.4, 19.50. 9.3, 24.75, 6.4, 19.50. 9.3, 24.75, 6.4, 19.50. No, it's 2. Nope. That's 9, 4, 24.75, 6. I think that's right. And the nice thing is I can just scroll down here. 9.3, 6.4, 19.50. Glad I looked. And again, don't try to erase these, just type over them. Alright, so quit, enter. $2.25 for a hamburger and $1.50 for fries. Plug in a power source. Okay, it can last another 10 minutes. $2.25, $1.50. So a hamburger. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday. So hamburger is $2.25 and fries are $1.50. Again, my brain is fried. I don't even know if I did that right. $2.25, $1.50. Good. All right, last but not least. And since all of my power is about to die, I'm not going to actually give the matrix. I'm just going to work this one out, and I'll let you finish it. Dennis mowed his next-door neighbor's lawn for a handful of dimes and nickels. Okay, so he did dimes and nickels, 80 coins in all. Upon completing the job, he counted up the coins and came to 660. Okay, so this was a little different. They give you all the information, but it doesn't look like it. So it's dimes and nickels for 80 coins. So we'll say dimes plus nickels equals 80. Okay? He counted the coins and it came to 660. So dimes, well, how much is a dime? A dime is 10 cents. So that's 0.1 times the dime. The nickels are 5 cents. So that's 0.05 for a nickel. And that came to 6.6. Okay? So again, this is a grocery list and a total. It just didn't give you the price because you should know the price of a dime. If you don't, we have problems. So it's 1.1, 1.05, 80, 660. Wow, my thing just really does not want to write that small. 1180, 0.1, 0.05, 660. Really, it's 80 and 660 is all I gotta remember. 80 and 660. That's a lot easier. Second matrix. 2, 2. 1, 180. Come on. 0.1. Nickel is 0.05 and $6.60. Which, why you would mow a lawn for go to. Oh, computer just died. Whatever. You can go from there. I don't know the answer. But my computer just died. It went from 20% to dead. But anyways, there you go.